Hi everyone, welcome here, welcome back, welcome to my channel. So I was literally in two minds whether to make this video or not, and then I finally decided to make it. If not for anyone else, it's just for us to remember this ride. And yeah, it's a different video than what I usually make. So if you're not into riding, you might not like this video, so you can skip this video and come back for the next. So this ride was a mini ride. We went for breakfast with a couple of fellow riders, and it was about 100 kilometers away from our house. But it was quite nice and pleasant. We went quite early in the morning, and the roads were open and free, most of the roads at least, and we really enjoyed the roads. And yeah, it was quite nice riding with a lot of other riders, and meeting new people and all that. So yeah, even the place that we went to eat our breakfast was quite nice, and I really enjoyed a couple of dishes over there. And yeah, it was very nice. So if you're into biking and all that, you can check out this place. If you want to go for a short ride, maybe a breakfast ride or anything, you can check out this place. I'll show you the board of the place as we entering. And yeah, if you're a rider, I'm pretty sure most of y'all would have gone there. But if you're new to riding and you haven't gone there, this might be a nice opportunity for you to go there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I really like this Italy, so if you ever go there, you should try that Italy out. It was known as Podi Italy, and it was quite tasty. So yeah, this was a little vlog of a little road trip, and yeah, as always, live life and love life. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.